Hi, I'm Alice. Welcome to Korean Ladder, where we climb Korean one useful rung at a time.
안녕하세요. 하나입니다. 코리안 라더에 오신 걸 환영해요.
안녕하세요. 준호입니다. Today we learn how to add one more item or action without overusing. 그리고
Here is my beginner problem. I know 그리고 means, and so I keep saying 그리고. It starts to sound heavy.
좋은 질문이에요. In Korean, when you add one more thing, 또 often sounds lighter and clearer.
그리고 connects ideas. 또 adds an extra idea. That extra feeling is the key.
So if I ordered coffee and now I want water too, I might not need another. 그리고
맞아요. Today's frame is simple. Put 또 before the extra item or extra action.
Beginner pattern 1. Say one sentence, pause, then start the next sentence with
Listen, 피를 마셔요. 또 빵을 먹어요. I drink coffee. I also eat bread.
또 is an adverb here. It comes before the added action. 또 빵을 먹어요. 네,
또 빵을 먹어요. That feels short. I like short.
좋아요. 또 can also mean again when an action repeats. 또 왔어요 means came again.
context tells you whether 또 feels like also, another, or again. The core meaning is extra.
Extra is the core, so 또 is not just the English word and
맞아요. 그리고 connects, 또 adds. Keep that contrast clear.
Compare these. 저는 학생이에요. 그리고 회사원이에요. It is possible, but it simply links two labels.
If the feeling is I am also an office worker, 또 is clearer. 저는 학생이에요. 또 회사원이에요.
저는 학생이에요. 또 회사원이에요. That sounds like one more identity.
Another useful place is ordering. 커피 주세요. 또 물 주세요. Coffee please. Water too please.
In Cafe Korean, 또 물 주세요 is natural. It sounds like one more item on the order.
커피 주세요. 또 물 주세요. I can use that today.
Now, 그리고 또 is not wrong. It means and also or and one more.
Use 그리고 또 when you want the connection to the earlier list or plan to be very clear. For example, 저는 한국어를 공부해요. 그리고 또 일본어도 공부해요. I study Korean and also I study Japanese too.
Notice 일본어도. The particle 도 also means too. 또 adds the whole idea. And 도 marks the noun.
So, dormi and do can appear together. That is not automatically wrong.
네, 맞아요. 또 adds the idea. 도 attaches to the noun and marks that noun as to.
For A1 speaking, keep it simple. If you are not sure, use one clear 또 at the start of the added sentence.
Now listen to a short dialogue. The Korean terms are on the card and you will hear them in order. 커피 주세요.
저는 차 주세요.
그리고 또 케이크도 주세요.
좋아요. 케이크도 같이 먹어요.
I heard. 그리고 또 when the cake was a clear extra add-on to the order.
맞아요. 그리고 또 makes the add-on feel connected to the previous list.
Now repeat after me. 또 물 주세요.
또 물 주세요.
좋아요. Now try the full order. 커피 주세요. 또 물 주세요.
커피 주세요. 또 물 주세요.
완벽해요. One more. 저는 한국어를 공부해요. 또 영어도 공부해요.
저는 한국어를 공부해요. 또 영어도 공부해요.
Here is the common mistake. English speakers often put 그리고 before every new thing. It is understandable, but it can sound heavy.
So, 커피 주세요. 그리고 물 주세요. 그리고 케이크 주세요. is understandable but clunky.
Yes. Better. 커피 주세요. 또 물 주세요. 그리고 또 케이크도 주세요. The list is clearer and the final add-on has emphasis.
Another mistake is placing 또 after the noun because English says water too. For beginners, put 또 before the added phrase.
So, 물 또 주세요 is not my clean beginner pattern.
Right. In special contexts, you may hear different placement, but your A1 pattern is 또 물 주세요.
Quiz time. You ordered coffee. Now you want to add water too. Which sounds most natural for a beginner?
I'm choosing A. 커피 주세요. 또 물 주세요.
정답은 A예요. 또 comes before the added item and you do not need to repeat. 그리고
B repeats. 그리고 so it sounds heavy. C puts 또 outside our safest beginner pattern.
let's recap. 핵심 하나 또는 추가를 나타내요. In English, 또 marks one more idea. Also, again, or another.
핵심 둘, 짧은 문장 앞에 또를 놓으세요. In English, put 또 before the short added sentence or phrase.
핵심 셋, 그리고는 연결해요. 또는 추가해요. In English, 그리고 connects ideas, while 또 adds an extra idea.
핵심 넷, 그리고 또는 연결된 추가를 강조해요. In English, 그리고 또 means, and also when the add-on is connected and a little emphasized.
My keeper sentences. 커피 주세요. 또 물 주세요. Coffee please. Water too please.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 커피 주세요. 또 물 주세요.
다음 랑지에서는 그래서를 배워요. In English, we will learn how to connect a reason to a result with so.
Thanks for climbing with us. I'm Alice and I'll see you on the next rung.